चलते हैं आपको सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान, जहां प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रोसीजर एक्ट केस की समाअत जारी है।
Person of the Chief Justice become very unreasonable. All my colleagues ask me to call a full court meeting to amend certain rule which requires amendment, okay, or some other issue. I say no, I will not do it. So there is nobody can do anything about it. Pehli baat. So when we talk about there are two arguments. One is trichotomy of powers. Then within a particular constitutional body like the Supreme Court, yes, I can go along with the first one, but then are you also propagating the omnipotency to the Chief Justice, or as used to be criticized, the Lord Chancellor of and the equity varies with the Chancellor's foot? So suppose I become unreasonable, tough luck to all of you, to everyone in Pakistan, tough luck. Right? No. How will you resolve this? Parliament has said, well, you may not like it, Mr. Chief Justice, but we have made an attempt to resolve it because you are never going to do it. You are never going to do it. And you, by your conduct, have shown you are never going to do it. So you can say, no, we must persist on omnipotency to the Chief Justice, the person of the Chief Justice, and he can do no wrong. And let him do. Is it democratic? Is it just? Is it forget the constitution of Pakistan for the time being. I'm talking now of greater concepts like justice and fairness. Does it meet? We talk about Islam, but surprisingly enough, not one person has mentioned Islam here. Does Islam even permit this? Such a powerful body of one person, unaccountable, totally. And someone legislates, the only thing I find fault with is, how dare you legislate? I can do so, but I will not do so. Now tough luck to you, Mr. Bandari and everybody else. Do whatever you want to. So it suits me. And like I said, I'm much too kind to articulate something, but I think it needs to be articulated and said. And please respond to it. How will you check my unreasonable conduct?
If I could add to that, not only the Chief Justice's conduct, but suppose if the full court sits down and makes a rule that we'll hear cases twice a week only, we'll only work till 10 o'clock, and so be it. And firewall, good luck to your firewalls. And we're firewalled, we're just very covered. We could just hear cases only twice a day and twice a week, and just till 11 o'clock or whatever. And we could have a vacation for 6 months, or things like this. So if we're firewalled, nobody can touch us, so we can just run the court the way we want, in any manner that we want. And the parliament, which represents the people, cannot come up and say, sir, what are you guys doing? Come on, have a heart.
But can I turn the example on? Can the parliament say that your lordships will work 24/7, 365?
जवाब देते हैं हम हमारे मेरा conundrum का फिर आप confuse हो जाएंगे.
Before you reply to these questions,
Sorry.
let me ask you a question. In the Supreme Court in Pakistan, do we have lifetime appointments or do we have a retirement age?
Age of superannuation, yeah.
So the composition of the court keeps changing.
So basically, you wait till my retirement.
You can't touch me till I retire.
The late Donald Rumsfeld said something very helpful. He said, we'll jump off that bridge when we come to it. We will deal with such autocracy.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान में प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रोसीजर एक्ट की समाअत जारी है।